Hey, welcome to Moulin Nauze. I thought we'd do a bit of a show and tell with the new Toolbox. Here's the new Toolbox. Pretty neat. Not actually very well made, but just about fit for the purpose. Comes with a lock. So the top folding drawer has things that I use every day. The Bosch drill, the Bosch driver, the magnetic cup holder, the tape measure, side cut-off pliers, needle nose pliers, pen. These little drawers hold the Bahco. This is a mini screwdriver and socket set. This is miscellaneous bits for the motorbike. This is the 1/4 inch Bahco socket set. This drawer is this big socket set. These are all 3/4 inch and other miscellaneous plug spanners and things like that. This drawer is anything that gets screwed. I quite like these orange screwdrivers. I also have all the miscellaneous weird bits which you need for dismantling electronics. This drawer is from anything that needs a hole in it. Drills, counter punches, step drills, there's even a rivet gun, and of course taps and dies. So that's a good drawer. Moving down to the big cabinet, the next drawer is ta-da! The metric wrench set, and of course the Bahco adjustable vice grips, everything for holding stuff. And this is pretty well miscellaneous drawer: multimeter, wire strippers, PTF tape, Stanley knife, spirit level, mini files. I find them very useful. Sharpies. And then in the bottom, we go down and open this. So in the bottom we've got anything to do with dogs, no, anything to do with air tools. So there's a nail gun and a 1/2 inch socket set. There's a Dremel in there and an air drill. So that's my Professor Simon show and tell, and this is the dog. Hey HAPA, I hope you find it useful.